Hi, Ning. Okay, how are you, Ning?
I'm fine. Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yeah. Yes.
can can we have free talking today?
Okay. We have free talking, but we need to have certain topic. Okay. Is it okay? So it
What?
is. Yeah. Okay. So by the way, Teacher Ann went to Cebu today. Okay, with Jillian, and then it was actually
Teacher,
yes.
teacher,
Mm,
do you go in, do you go to,
other
um,
city.
like, no, like the fall holiday Labor Day
Labor Day. Our Labor Day will be next week. Wait, Miss Annie, ha? Our Labor Day will be
on
next week.
Wednesday?
Yeah. Wait me. I will ask Jillian first. Wait. Jillian! Dai! Abi sa charger sa laptop day be. Nasa green na butangan ng mga medal palikog. Gaklase ko dai. Oy, nasa man. It's Labor Day. Uy, unsay mo takal? Puti. It's Labor Day. Uy, nasa mo tayo? Ibutang. Ay. Gilo ka. Okay, it's Labor Day will be on Wednesday, May 1. We don't have class. How about you?
Yes, we have to.
Mm-hmm.
And that holiday, I went, on that holiday, I go to her Imperial City.
Oh, that's good. Okay. So, uh, Teacher Ann went to other city yesterday with Jillian because we need to have to buy something very important for school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's
Mm.
why it's quite tired. We sleep there one night and then we go to the mall. Buy something very important for school. So today I will give here. You know me. Our topic is about traveling. Because teacher and travels. So that is why we need to talk travel. Okay.
Oh,
By the way,
okay.
yeah.
Teacher,
Yes.
I find the topic we will talk.
You found. Oh, what is the topic?
I think it's daily routine, okay?
About
Daily routine.
the daily routine. Okay. What is your daily routine? Waiting, Jill. Isa ko na, Jill. Oh, my goodness. Huh?
Dog?
Yeah.
Teacher, the teacher.
Yeah. Yeah,
The
it's
dog is
Jillian.
next to you.
Yeah, Jillian is here.
No, the dog.
The dog is amazing. Jillian, say hi to me. Hello.
Hi.
Wait, wait, wait. The dog is, wait. Ay, the dog. Hi. Ay, wait. May carry the dog. And show it to me. Okay, wait. Wait nga ha. Jillian, we're gonna carry the dog. Charge first. The dog is so noisy eh. The dog miss Jillian. Here. This is Claudette. Tick, 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 tick.
So cute.
Claudette,
Oh, so
Claudette.
cute.
Okay. Okay. This is Cooper. Go, go, Cooper. Come here. Go, 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 ate, go, ate, go, ate. Cooper is here. Cooper. Oh, look at him.
Oh, so cute.
Cooper. Go, Dit. Go na kayo. Go na outside ka. Cooper, Cooper. I'll eat na. Claudette and Cooper. Okay, they are. Okay. So, our
Teacher,
topic for today
I
is
think we will talk about daily routine.
okay, what is daily routine? What is your daily routine? Okay, what do you
What
think?
is my daily routine?
Okay, what is your daily routine?
Uh, Daily routine.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, please. Wait, please.
What is your daily routine? 450, 450. What is your daily routine?
My daily routine.
Mm-hmm.
My daily routines. My days are always like busy and
Your
my
days are
my
always
daily.
busy. Okay. You know what? Hindi. Tono did not have class with me today.
With your because Donna is was went to here.
When to?
Wait,
Where is it?
do you
Can
know
you,
her Imperial City?
I don't know. What is it? Can you please tell me?
Like in chat box.
Oh yeah, I will check. Where? Oh, is it far?
Quite far.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but it's far from mm, 96 kilometers.
Oh, it is from Danang going to Hue. Oh, very far. And this is like 2 to 3 hours travel.
Yeah, it's far.
Is that the city of Tono?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Is it the city of Tono?
No.
Okay. So that's why maybe Tono, wait me. 96 kilometer. Oh, that's quite far. Okay, that's quite far.
It's quite far.
For the
Teacher,
yeah,
about my daily routine.
yeah, your daily routine. Okay, you tell me your daily routine. What did you do
Um,
for your daily routine?
I usually get up at six at 6:30 a.m.
6:30 in the morning every day or Monday
Yes,
to Friday?
yes.
Monday to Friday or every day?
Monday to Friday.
So Monday to Friday you get up. You
Um,
get up.
I clean my face, brush my
Mm,
teeth, and and at 6:45
mm-hmm,
and I think at 6:45.
mm-hmm.
I think at 6:45 I have breakfast.
Okay, okay, yeah.
I
So
have
at six
breakfast
forty five,
and then
yes.
my mother arrived me to school.
Okay. So usually you went to school at that early. Okay. Okay, yeah, I understand. You're doing great. And you have this super busy. Super busy. Yeah, I know that one. Okay. So, and then how about afternoon? What time do you go home?
Hmm?
How about afternoon? What time do you go home?
Um, I, I go home at 4:30. 4:55
Mm-hmm.
p.m.
Yes.
Yes, and then I wash. like take a bath,
Mm-hmm.
and take a shower, like take a shower,
Mm-hmm.
and then I dinner, have
Mm-hmm.
dinner, and finally I go to like learn math.
You have math class, ni? What time is your math
Yeah.
class? What time
What?
is your math? What time is your math class?
Um. 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Is that every day or not at all?
Every day.
It's online?
Hmm?
It's online?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I understand. It's online class. Okay. So Jillian also will start to have math class on Saturday. That's once a week only. That's once a week, every Saturday. He will be learning math. He will be learning math too. This one. Okay. So my daily routine ni Monday to Friday, I wake up like 6:20 or 6:10, and then after that I take a bath. I prepare going to school. So around 7:15 I can leave to school now. Then I will go home at 5 or 4:30, and then but if Jillian has badminton practice, I have to send her to the badminton practice, and then I will gonna wait until 7 p.m. The practice is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Then after that, we'll go home. Then teacher Ann will have class. I slept around 10:30 to 11 p.m. That's my daily routine. But Saturday and Sunday, it's different. I have to do class every day. But I wondered, like Tono told me, teacher, I can't have class with you because she is okay. Is the family of Tono going to the province? It's the province of Tono?
Like go to for Labor Day.
Ah, okay. Because in Vietnam, you don't have class. Monday, you have class, no or no? Monday, do you have class? Monday.
On Monday next week?
Yeah?
No. We not have class because on Labor Day.
Ah, okay. So can we have makeup class on Monday? Can you?
Okay.
Yeah. What time you will have class with me on Monday?
Three.
Three, wait.
Can we have
Three.
3 p.m.?
2 p.m. 2 p.m. Is that two?
3.
Three. So I'm gonna have
Mm.
class 4. So I'm gonna go home 5. Oh, that's okay, 3. So on Monday, we're gonna have 3 p.m. I will take note, no ha, Angi ha, because I will forget. So because Monday you are free. Oh, I will ask my other student. How about no? No will not be with me. Okay, I am so sad. Why no is Monday? So Monday you are free 3 p.m. Eh, I will ask Nguyen because my student told me that okay, another student only me, only you is the you know what me? That's probably the reason why you're very good in English. You know why? Yeah, because you're very diligent. Okay, I can see you never do absent. You don't like to be absent. Okay, that's why. You want to have classes always. Okay? So that's probably the reason that you are good enough. Okay, that's maybe the reason. Okay, I can see that one. Because you really do absent. You don't take holiday. Okay, most of my students absent during holiday. They don't take classes. They don't like to take classes because it's holiday.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe because you are diligent. You love to have classes. So I will see you on Monday, 3 p.m. Okay, for makeup class. Okay, that's how until when will you have your classes? Until when? Me.
When I have
No,
classes
no,
at
no
school,
classes. No class, no class.
Uh,
Until?
on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
3 p.m. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you don't have class.
Yes, but on Tuesday and Wednesday, I go to her again.
Okay. So Monday, teacher Anne will see you. Okay. So at least we can have makeup class. It's okay, 3 p.m. Monday. Because I will ask my other students to have class with me on Tuesday and Tuesday and Wednesday. I will ask my students. Yes. Okay, because my student will be absent. And then she told me, teacher, today I am busy. Okay. What will be the things that you are going to do in the Labor Day?
I'm going to visit her.
You will visit your grandmother. You will visit your grandmother.
What?
You will visit your grandmother.
No, I visit her.
You will visit who? Where? You tell me what is in where? What is in where?
Her.
Yeah,
Her.
what is it?
Her. You know that?
Yeah, the place with this
Yes,
one.
it's the place.
Okay, what is it? What is in there?
Like many history. It has many history and I just go
Historical
to visit.
places? Like, wait, ha. Tomorrow, we will have class, right?
Yes.
What time tomorrow? There are many historical places. Is that correct? Is that correct? Okay. So I don't know. Can you show me about Huehni? What I am so uh I am so curious. What is in Hue? Can you show me? Can you share
Okay,
places?
okay, okay.
I wonder what is in Hue. Can you share to me the video of Hue?
Uh, teacher.
Ah, ah.
First disabled participants
Okay. This one. That one. It's okay now.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, wow. Is it in Danang? Is it in Danang? Partly in Danang? Oh, it's nice one.
It is not Dana. It is her teacher.
Yeah. Dana is different from Hue. Is it city? Hue is a city? Small city?
Yes, Dana is a small city.
I don't know. Hue. Hue is a small city?
No, I think it's big. It's bigger
Ah,
than.
okay. The same with me. Okay. So, when you go there, where will you stay?
It's like that.
Wow, it's a very nice one.
Yes, this beautiful. Like, yes,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. When you stay there, when you go there, ni example, you will go in where?
Okay,
Where
I will
where will
took
you
some
stay?
photos and send to you, okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where will you stay ni when you go to where? Where will you stay?
I think I will stay at hotel.
Oh, you don't stay at hotel. With your family? With your mother
Yeah,
and your
with
mom
my
and dad?
families and with my dad with my dad friend's family.
Okay. Okay, okay, yeah, I understand. Wow. Okay, you will be very excited. Are you excited? On Tuesday. Tuesday we will go
Yes,
there.
I'm so excited. Actually,
Oh.
um, I will wait Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.
Wow. A Sunday, Monday, and wait.
I will wait Monday, Sunday, and Tuesday.
Oh, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay. But we have class on Monday. So Tuesday you will go there now. You will go there. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Okay, wow. I know you're excited. What is the best place that you will gonna go and where? What is the best place that you will gonna go on where?
I don't know because I don't have my schedule to her.
Okay. So your dad will gonna fix the
Yeah, it
schedule.
depends of my parents.
Okay. So your brother will go with you. Wow. I know you're very excited. Okay, what else? What else you gonna ask? Okay. I come here. This is my place me. Okay, I'll be the one to share. Okay. I will share to you the place that teacher Ann went to. Okay, wait me ha. Okay, this is the place that teacher Ann went to. Oh, I went to here. I will here. This one here. This is it's this one here.
Oh,
This can you see
very
it now?
nice.
Can you see? Uh-huh. And where is it? The city. Cebu City. This one here. This is
But
there
teacher,
is
but I don't understand Philippines.
yeah. You don't understand, no? It's okay. That's only an advertisement. Okay.
So, dito pa lang sobrang fresh na nung feeling. Tapos, ang dami talagang flowers, ah. Dito, ang entrance fee ay... At ngayon, pupuntahan naman natin ng Basilica de Santo Niño.
Okay, this one. This is
Kung
the
saan din
city.
natin matatagpuan ng Magellan's Cross. Normally, pag 2 bedrooms, ang tataas talaga ng prices nila. Pero eto, kilala ang lugar nito na bilihan ng mga danggit, pampasalubong. Welcome to another vlog mga ka-best
Cebu!
finds and welcome to Cebu. Sa vlog na to mga ka-best finds,
Okay,
bibigyan
this
namin
is
kayo
the
ng idea.
place of
Kanilang mga rates,
this is
meron
where
silang yellow and
we
white
go.
taxi. Mas mura daw yung sa white taxi.
Okay, this one.
Ay mag-fit doon sa 2 rooms. Sa 2 rooms nga pala to, pwede namang matulog yung iba sa sofa. And meron din silang landline and wifi dito. Tapos yung kanilang bathroom, ang ganda din ha. Malinis siya. Separate yung shower, separate din yung toilet nila.
This is the hotel.
Ayan. May backup tissue pa silang pinoprovide. Nice. Actually, sobrang sulit nito para dun sa price ni Miss Angeline. Even the soap, I suppose. Oh, even the soap, meron na rin. Oo. Ayan, so 2 bedrooms nga to. Normally, pag 2 bedrooms, ang tataas talaga ng prices nila. Pero eto, mura nga lang binibigay ni Miss Angeline. Nandito yung mga extra pillows, may cabinet kayong pwedeng magamit, at may mga hangers, di ba? And air condition yung mga rooms niya. Tapos, provided na rin nila yung blanket.
Okay, this is
Hindi
in Cebu.
tayo sumali
Yes,
sa any
it's a
tours na package na, no?
place
So, we
that you
decided
can
na
go in
mag-arkila na
Cebu.
lang ng car. Nag-message kayo sa any marketplace actually, or naghanap kayo ng
Okay, that one.
to 3,500. Yun yung tinatawag ni Kuya na anong tawag mo sa tour? Pag kasama yung tawis, yung
city
destination, at ito ay matatagpuan sa Balamban, Cebu. Ito ay 2 hours kung gusto niyo magpa-picture ng libre. At ang ganda talaga nilang mag-picture. Parang aral na nila yung place. And reminder lang din na no picking of flowers dito.
This ni, look at this. This one. It is Amsterdam Little Garden. It's very hot now.
Mga ka-best finds ngayon naman, 15 to 20 minutes away from Buwakan ni Alejandra. Nandito na tayo sa Sirao. Ito rin isa ring famous tourist spot ng Cebu. Ang challenge lang dito, medyo mahirap ang parking kasi ang dami talagang pupunta dito. So, ang regular nila is 120 for adults, tote.
Okay, that one, another,
Ay,
that's
libre na sila.
flowers, full of
So, pasok
flowers.
na tayo mga ka-best
Here,
finds
this
sa
is the
Temple of
famous
Leia.
in Cebu. This
Actually,
is
itong
Temple of
Ito
Leia.
yung parang Taj
The Leia
Mahal,
is
diba, ng India.
it's just
Ito
like
yung
it's a
memory of
big,
love daw ng
big
lolo
Buddha.
ni Ellen
I
Adarna
mean, like
sa kanyang namayapang
the
asawa si
statue.
Leia. Ngayon, sobrang daming tao rito. Talagang ito yung isa sa dinarayong tourist spot dito sa Cebu.
Look at that one.
So, eto na mismo yung loob ng Temple of Leia. So, yun yung famous statue ni Leia. Ayan.
Okay.
At sa loob mismo ng Temple of Leia, dito
There's
niyo
a temple.
matatagpuan yung
You can
iba't
see
ibang
the temple
memorabilia
here.
ni Leia.
There's mini
So, kasama
statue,
na dito yung mga
small
figurines,
statue.
mga
We
iba't
call it
ibang
Temple of Leia. And then if you want to
Pag
buy,
niluto yung pusit, ikakat mo ng tatlo. Para
Para
malutong.
Yun.
Tapos yung danggit,
hatiin sa dalawa.
yung danggit din daw, hatiin daw sa dalawa para crispy. Tapos,
Tapos
lubog na lubog, deep
lubog
fried.
na lubog.
O, ayan na.
Mainit
Para
na
malutong
mainit,
talaga.
para malutong.
this is
Para
the
kagaya-
famous dried fish.
So, 800 pesos niya mabibili yung 1 kilo ng danggit dito. Tapos, 850 naman sa dried pusit. Ayan, iba't ibang seafoods pa yung makikita nyo rito at iba't iba rin yung prices nila. Meron pa silang ibang pampasalubong na nasa loob.
Ito ang 1/4.
Ayan ang 1/4. Eh, paano mo nalamang 1/4?
Ay, estimate lang yan, ma'am. Pwede dagdagan, pwede kunan natin pag ano doon
Ah.
sa timbangan.
Okay, okay. Kasi ni-seal din nila dito yung mga in-order nyo. Ayan, isi-sealer nila yan.
So, isisil.
Okay. So ayan, nakabili na tayo ng pampasalubong nating danggit, peanut kisses, saka dried mangoes. So nakatawad pa tayo, binabaan pa nila yung presyo nung sine-check out na natin. kuha na tayo nitong OTAP kasi ito naman talaga ang
Okay,
isa sa mga
this is the
pinupuntahang
famous
pagkain
food
dito.
in Cebu.
So meron
You
din
will
sila
go
dito
there, the
mga lady
famous is
finger.
Otap. It's just
Ayan,
like
69
this
pesos
one.
naman. Yung kanilang mga Rosquillos, ito masarap din to sa
Okay, this
coffee. Ayan,
one
82
like
pesos naman, 140 grams. O si Kuya James ng
it's
Shamrock, Kuya,
biscuit,
dito sa
but the famous
Shamrock,
is
ano talaga
Otap.
yung pinaka-famous na binibilisan nyo bukod sa OTAP? History nito. Ito mga nasa paligid, kung
Okay,
kayo
this is
magtataka, ito ay mga
the city
kandila na
properly.
inaalay daw ng mga
You can
devoto
come in the
para sa
city,
kanilang mga
this one.
panalangin, mga personal na kahilingan. Ayan, ganyan karaming kandila yung
Oh,
nandito
so
sa
many
paligid ng Magellan's Cross.
candles.
So bukod pa dyan sa nasa lapag, meron din tayo makita mga kandila dito na nakasako na. So ito,
Okay, so this is Cebu meal.
1 kilo na 1,100. So ito naman yung mga kanilang rice. At meron pa rin silang ibang mga menu rito, pero lahat halos may lechon na kasama. Ayan. Lechon
Okay, this is Cebu
kare-kare, lechon.
meal. Okay, that's all for Cebu. That's all for Cebu. It's actually 2 hours travel by boat. When you travel there, when I go there, it's 2 hours travel by boat. But going there, we were ride a bus and then we traveled another boat 2 hours. It's quite hassle. When we come home, we traveled by bus by fast ferry, by 2 hours only. So it's quite near from the city. We don't need to travel another bus because it's very far. And it's already nighttime. I need to get hurry because I have class with you. So that's why I need to go home early. So these are the Cebu. Yeah,
Teacher,
why?
you do you know Canva?
Yeah, Canva? This one?
Do you know
Wait.
Canva?
Yeah. This one I will write down. Why? Why did you ask this one?
Because at my English school we use Canva to project for
Yeah,
pro
Canva. Yeah, I know Canva.
yes, I know Canva.
Do you know how to use Canva?
Yes.
What did you do
Can you open this?
Canva? What did you do in Canva?
Like do for project.
Project. You do project
Teacher,
in
can you
Canva.
open Canva?
Yeah, wait. I don't know where's my Canva here. Maybe it's here. Canva. I have actually my Canva.
Oh, it's Canva, home Canva.
Yeah. Where? I have
It's
already.
up.
Wait nga, ha. I have my Canva here. I forgot where did I put it. Okay. Let's go to Canva. Okay. That one. This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Yes. Starting now.
This one here, Canva. This what you mean? Okay, what project did you do in Canva? English?
Yes, I do about city, about charity.
Okay. So how is it?
I present this morning.
You present this their morning? Oh, really? Wow.
Yes, in the morning.
So Canva is nice niya. How did you do it in Canva? Canva is actually nice. You can make a lot of things in Canva.
Like the background is
Okay, you can share it to me. Sorry, I cannot open my Canva. You want to share?
oh wow.
You want to share your Canva?
No. My Canva?
Yeah, you want to share how you do it?
Mm, yes, okay.
Okay, wait me, huh? I will share. Wait. Okay, that one. You can share now.
Okay. Um, okay, teacher. Like
Okay, where is it?
my project is about city.
Where is it?
Mm, okay, teacher. Like that. I will print. I will
Yeah,
share.
yeah. Yes.
Like this. Like this.
Anske. Okay, yes.
About city. I about Tokyo.
You
My
share
favorite
to
city
me.
is Tokyo.
You share to me. Where
Um,
is it?
in in Tokyo.
In Tokyo. Where is it? I didn't see.
Oh, you can see?
Yeah, I didn't see. Wait me, huh? Oh, sorry. This one. Okay. This
I
one.
share to you.
Yeah. About city project. You're the one who did it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, I did it.
Wow, this about city project.
Like
Basic,
I did that.
wow. It's very
Oh,
nice.
I think it's so sad.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
City travel.
famous place is Tokyo Sky Tree and Sensoji Pagoda.
Okay, yes.
Famous food is the famous food is edamame sushi and it's made from tuna, flounder, eel, and shellfish.
Okay, yeah, I understand. Yes. Okay, that's
And
nice.
ramen.
Yes. Ramen. Oh, nice gift.
And nice gift we can buy.
Yes. Nice gift. Just in case you want to travel,
And
you want to buy gift. That's all. Thank you. Very short. It's a very short.
it's not wrong.
Wow, very good niya.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's okay.
Okay. So what else? We still have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You tell me more. You talk to me.
I don't know.
Okay, you talk to me about everything. Are you excited
Yeah.
for your travel and where? How many days you will go there? Me, how many days?
2 days. Two
2
days, one.
days. Saturday, no. Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
2 days and 1 night.
And Thursday I go to school back.
Yeah, wow. Oh, how about no? No, well,
Yeah. No, two.
no. No already went there.
Yeah.
Oh, like how many no will travel? No will stay how many days? Okay, like no. Oh, no is together with the family?
Yes.
Oh, they stay in the hotel too?
Yes. In the hotel. Like in the hotel too.
Yeah, in hotel too. Okay, it's in hotel too. Oh, it's very nice. Okay, so no stay today. Today, Ngo did not have class with me. Starting today until when? Until when Ngo will you will gonna meet Ngo on Tuesday or no?
No. She just went for 2 days.
Ah,
Saturday and Sunday.
on Monday, No will be here. Okay,
Yeah.
I will text No. Maybe No will gonna have class with me. Yeah, maybe No will gonna have class with me on Monday. Okay, No's family is you will come back. Okay, so it is better need that mostly if it's holiday you go outside. Oh, it's very nice. In my country, we rarely go if holiday. Actually, it's holiday also in my place because we don't have class on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's why me and Jillian go outside also. I went to another city. Okay, because it's Jillian's break time. So we need to explore. I need to go Jillian and then Jillian take a lot of books. I will share the video for you, okay? Right.
Okay,
Wait ha,
later.
wait ha.
Later you will
Okay,
share.
I will share the video that Jillian is picking up the books. So many books ni. So many books here in the book time. Jillian is having the book time. I will share to you. Okay, you can check it now.
Okay.
I know this is not the book time. This is the sticker time. There's a lot of sticker.
You can share me later.
Yeah, sticker. That's sticker time. I have here the sticker time of Jillian. Sticker time. I don't know where's the sticker time. Oh, it's here. I will share to you the book and the sticker time.
Okay, you
Jillian
will share me later.
yeah, bought sticker and books. Okay, so many books. Can you see?
Yes, okay, but you can share me later.
Okay, I already share it to you. Okay, you can check it later. Okay. So what else, Nia? You tell me what do you want to know? Where are you going? You know what? The weather here in my country is very, very hot.
Yes, my country too.
Okay, you know what? It's 43 heat index. The hot is 43 temperature. It's very hot here. As in very hot.
In me is 40.
Here is 43, very hot here. So that's why when we go to other city, we wear big hat. And then, you know what? Jillian bought this one. Okay, she bought the this one. The you know this? This one. I don't know if this one. That one. On cut. It's K-pop store.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know? It's K-pop store. It's K-pop store.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, that one.
Teacher, I have a
Okay.
teddy bear.
Wow, it's very nice. What is that? New teddy bear? New teddy?
Yeah.
Where did you get it?
Um, when I
In the store of?
in the store of clothes.
I have, this is an old, this one.
Ah, so cute.
Look at this. And there this, yeah, look at. So cute, right?
Ah, it's like half this. Oh, like me. Mm,
I actually have this, this one. This Jillian's. Jillian's love this. This one, yeah. Look at this.
Michiro. Michiro
Yeah.
Tokito.
You have? Tick, 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 tick. This Jillian's.
Oh, oh.
I don't know what they call this one. I forgot. Jiro?
Call
Monjiro?
is Michiro Tokito.
Yeah. It's Japanese.
Yes, Japanese name.
Japanese name. What? I thought Monjiro.
Like that. Okay, teacher in chat box.
Mochiro Tokido. That name. The name of yours is Mochiro Tokido. Tokito.
Yeah.
It's Japanese.
Yes.
How about the one the picture I'm showing to you? What is this? What's the name?
Yeah.
What is the name for this? This is Japanese.
Yeah, it's Tokito.
It's okay. It's Japanese.
Mm-hmm. It's the character is in Demon Slayer.
Yeah, in
Michiro
Demon
is a
Slayer.
character in Demon Slayer.
Yeah. It's from Demon Slayer. See? Mochiro Tokito. Oh, Mochiro Tokito. It's Japanese. Japanese. Okay? Ni, I will see you tomorrow again. Okay, 3
At
p.m.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.